Hello D-Traders, you're watching daily currency market news on the InstаForекс TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. Trading in Forex is marked by a skeptical note in the last days of February. Traders prefer to complete the week with long positions on the US dollar. The cautious sentiment is dominating amid growing fears about the outcome of the G20 summit in Shanghai. Investors are discouraged by economic prospects of emerging markets and persistent headwinds in the global economy. Meanwhile, traders are actively selling off the Japanese yen in favor of the US dollar. The single European currency is also unable to arouse bullish interests. This situation is unfolding ahead of the revision of US GDP growth rate for the fourth quarter that could be downgraded. Market participants must be cheered by a series of positive macroeconomic statistics released yesterday. New orders for long-lasting US manufactured goods in January rose by the most in 10 months, better than expected. The Commerce Department said orders for durable goods surged 4.9% last month, reversing December's 4.6% plunge. The latest print beat expectations for only a 3% rise. This data clearly indicates a revival of the US manufacturing sector. The US dollar index rebounded from a weekly low in the hope that flash estimates of the US GDP could be wrong. The first estimate showed that the US economy expanded 0.7% in the final quarter of 2015. However, in light of new data, experts share the viewpoint that the second estimate could be worse. Analysts expect a reversion downward to 2.4%. The information on actual US GDP growth could be of interest to day traders. Investors are still mulling over the US Fed's intention to tighten the monetary policy. Currency strategists at Danske Bank are certain the US Federal Reserve will not announce the next rate hike soon. Danske Bank is keeping the status of a US dollar seller in favor of the euro. It was InstаForекс News and me, Kate Nedachina. See you next release.